For decades, a dark object has been circling our planet, one that wasn't put there by any government or known space agency. They call it the Black Knight satellite, a mysterious anomaly that has sparked countless theories. Some say it's a 13,000-year-old alien artifact. Others claim it's a Cold War relic. But one thing is certain: it's not going away.
It was first spotted in the early days of space exploration, before Sputnik, before NASA, and long before we even dreamed of satellites. Why is it still there? Why does no one officially acknowledge it? And perhaps the most chilling question, who or what put it there? In 1899, inventor Nikola Tesla claimed he intercepted a signal, not from Earth, but from somewhere beyond. Tesla believed it was a message from space, possibly from intelligent life. At the time, the idea seemed insane. But was he the first to notice the Black Knight's presence?
Fast forward to the 1920s. Norwegian engineer Jürgen Hals also picked up unexplained long-delayed radio echoes. These echoes defied logic. They hinted at something in orbit, bouncing signals back to Earth. Could it have been the Black Knight, quietly watching even then? In 1954, newspapers reported that the U.S. Air Force had detected 2 mysterious satellites orbiting Earth. The problem? Neither the U.S. nor the Soviet Union had launched anything yet. These reports were quickly dismissed, but not before raising eyebrows in the intelligence community.
In 1960, a strange object was detected in a polar orbit, something no nation had the capability to achieve at the time. It wasn't transmitting, it wasn't controlled, and it definitely wasn't one of ours. The military named it a dark satellite, and some began whispering, "The Black Knight is real." In 1998, during the STS-88 mission, the first space shuttle flight to the International Space Station, something strange was photographed. Astronauts captured images of a dark, angular object floating in orbit. NASA claimed it was debris, but the shape was unlike any known satellite or equipment.
The images went public, and the internet exploded. Conspiracy theorists, ufologists, and even some engineers said, "That's the Black Knight." Its size, the reflections, the orbit, everything about it defied explanation. And still, NASA insisted, "It's nothing." In the 1960s, HAM radio operators began picking up strange transmissions, bursts of code and rhythmic signals that didn't match any known source. Some believed these were artificial signals, possibly originating from the Black Knight. Attempts to decode them led to bizarre theories, including star charts pointing to the Epsilon Bootis system. Could the satellite be sending us a message, or simply observing?
One researcher, Duncan Lunan, claimed in 1973 that he decoded a hidden map in the radio echoes, a message from an ancient alien civilization. According to his theory, the signal described a probe orbiting Earth for 13,000 years, launched from a distant star system. Lunan later distanced himself from the theory, but the idea stuck. People began asking, have we been watched for millennia? Every time the Black Knight surfaces in media or public discussion, official sources move quickly to explain it away. NASA says it's thermal blankets, space debris, or simple misidentification, but each explanation seems rushed, inconsistent, and never fully satisfying. Is it damage control or deliberate suppression? Some former military insiders have hinted that they were told never to speak of certain objects seen in orbit. Declassified documents show redacted references to unidentified orbital bodies, ones tracked for years but never named. Why would the most advanced space agencies in the world pretend something doesn't exist, if it truly didn't?
Some believe the Black Knight is an alien probe, silently observing us since the dawn of civilization. They point to ancient stories of sky gods, star messengers, and unexplained celestial knowledge across cultures. Is it a watcher, recording our growth, or a guardian, waiting for a signal to act? Others have darker theories, that it's not alien, but a remnant of an ancient human civilization far more advanced than ours, a leftover from a forgotten era that perished long before recorded history. If that's true, the Black Knight isn't watching us. It's waiting for us to catch up.
Today, researchers continue to study the Black Knight, using increasingly advanced telescopes and satellite systems. Some claim to have captured new images of the object in recent years, still orbiting silently, yet in perfect alignment with Earth's rotation. The question isn't if it exists anymore, it's what's its purpose.
In 2015, a mysterious document leaked online, allegedly from a NASA engineer. The paper discussed the unknown satellite in great detail, confirming its existence. The engineer claimed it was a project the government had been monitoring for decades. But once again, the leak was brushed off as a hoax. And yet, something about this disclosure seemed different. Was it intentional? Or just another part of the conspiracy?
As technology advances and space exploration pushes further, we're faced with the possibility of discovering more objects like the Black Knight. What if the object is merely one of many? Some experts suggest that there could be a network of probes, remnants of an ancient, now forgotten race, scattered throughout the universe. If we find more, what will it mean for humanity's place in the cosmos?
For now, we can only speculate. The Black Knight remains an enigma, a silent witness in the vast expanse of space. Its purpose, its origins, and its creators may never be fully understood. But one thing is certain: the mystery will continue to captivate those who seek the truth. As long as we're looking up, the Black Knight will remain in our sights.
In the end, the Black Knight is more than just a mysterious object in the sky. It's a symbol, a reminder that we don't know everything about our universe. It challenges us to think beyond what's known, to question the accepted narratives of science and history. It asks, what else is out there? What are we missing?
The Black Knight may never give up its secrets, but it has already changed the way we think about space, time, and our place in the universe. As we continue to explore the stars, perhaps we'll uncover more traces of ancient knowledge, or discover technologies long forgotten. But for now, the Black Knight remains an elusive mystery, watching, waiting, and silently orbiting us.